Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Neo Artifacts game crashing or not opening, not launching, keep stopping, won't start, not loading, lagging, freezing, or other issues on Android phone. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart your phone once. So for that, press the volume up plus power button and then select restart. So this will restart your phone once. Once it is restart your phone, now check if the game is opening or not. If not, next is to check your internet connection. So make sure your internet connection is stable and not fluctuating. If you're using mobile data, then go to Wi-Fi, or if you're using Wi-Fi, then restart your router once and then check if the game is opening or not. Or you can do vice versa. Either if you're using mobile data, go to Wi-Fi, or do vice versa and then check if the problem is resolved or not, and the game is opening or not. If not, then the next method is to force stop the game. For that, click and hold the game icon over here. Now click on app info. Now click on force stop and then click on OK. So this will force stop the app. Once it is force stopped, now click on the open option and check if the game is opening or not. If not, you are suggested to clear the cache of the particular game. For that, click on storage and cache and click on clear cache, and after that check if the game is launching or not. If not, you should check if the game needs any kind of update. For that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for Neo Artifacts, and here you are suggested to check if there is any update available. If there is any update, then update your game to the latest version, and after that launch the game and check. If you cannot launch the game still, then you are suggested to use a VPN service. So for that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for VPN, and you will get a lots of VPN apps available. Install any one of them, and after that change the location and then try to launch the game or install the game and check if you can play it. If not, you should also check if your phone OS needs any kind of update. So for that, go to the settings on your device, and after that go below, click on system update, and here you will find if there is any update available. If there is any update your phone OS to the latest version, and after that try to play the game and check if it's working. If the issue still occurs, then you are suggested to reinstall Neo Artifacts game on your Android phone. For that, click and hold the game icon over here. Now click on delete icon and then click on uninstall. Now after uninstalling, again go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for the game, and after that click on the install option, and once the game is installed, now try to play it and check if you can play it without any kind of issues. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.